In this video, we will show you how to generate labels from a CSV file. This is a Pro Edition feature. Click on Import Data and select your data file. This example file consists of 99 records and one header, a total of 100 rows. Please note all contact data shown in this demo are dummy data generated for demo purposes. We will start by customizing the label template. The label template is made up of personalization tags. Review the data you wish to import and select the matching tag for each column. Click on Import when you're ready to generate labels. This generated 99 labels from my imported file. This app supports hundreds of different label sizes. We are currently using an address label that measures 2.625 inches by 1 inch. You can review imported data and make individual edits as needed. When ready, click on Print to print labels.